Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create amazing kids animated short video with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to prepare for the narration, and we're going to turn the narration into a speech. Here I have created the narration. I created this narration using ChatGPT. Okay, for example, I'm going to create a video about rainbow. Okay, and then we just need to click on generate speech. Sorry guys, I forgot to tell you the website. You can create text to speech for free with AI. You can visit 11labs.io, this one, and you can choose the text to speech. And here you can choose the voice that you want to use for your speech, and you can change the model as well, and the speed, stability, similarity, and style exaggeration. And once you're done, you can click on generate speech, and here I have generated this one. And the next tab is using the Adobe Express. We're going to use Adobe Express to create talking animation. Okay guys, and the next tab is using Adobe Express. So you need to visit this website. We're going to animate our voice for free using the Adobe Express, and I'm going to click on start now. I'm going to click on the animate characters since we want to create animated video for kids. Okay guys, and here we can choose the character we're going to use. For the character, I'm going to choose this one, and then I'm going to change the background as well. Okay guys, let me choose this one, and then we can go to the size, and since we want to create short video, we can choose this ratio. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the browse, and then upload the audio we have just created with AI. Okay, and just wait for a moment. Now the video is being created. Okay, and this is the final result. I'm going to play it to show you.
A rainbow is a beautiful, colorful arc that appears in the sky.
Okay, and if you want to download it, you can click on download, and you will be able to upload it to your social media, such as YouTube Short or maybe Instagram Reels. Okay, and that's all the way to create amazing kids animated short video using AI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.